Hey guys, what's up? Here's where we are on the cart. I got a blue on a hammered black, dark gray. Got the rims in the hammered. Still got a little bit to do. I got some tape in. I gotta make a bed for it. Gotta put the windows back in tonight. Hopefully I'll finish tonight. But we got her looking nice. We painted the ceiling with some fabric paint. Got the air horn working. Everything's good. We got our switches in for the lift. That works. Feel free to subscribe for updates on the progression and a longer version of more in-depth detail on what we did here.